Hello, guys. I am live now, and this is not the most sexy topic. It's not something I'm like, oh my god, I love doing this. This is what I'm looking to do. But we kind of like stuck in the situation, sitting in quarantine, and what do you do? Like, how do you do it yourself, right? Like, you have, like, by the way, I'm a cat lady. So how do you do this, right? How do you, what if you decide you're like, you know what, I can't really go anywhere. I want to do waxing at home. How do I do it? Sophia, help me. Because I am the medical esthetician, but also work in the salon, did so many, my goodness, so much waxing time that I did. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do it myself. And at this point, guys, I really have no shame. I'm very hairy. If you stuck in the same, hi Ronnie, it's not very sexy. And the thing is, like, I didn't do lives not because I didn't want to. It's just I'm really transitioning, putting so much content and website and so many things going on. So it's like really exciting. And hi Lily, hi Leona. And I'm going to show you how to do it at home. Like, you're going to save yourself money, time, I mean, it's expensive to go do waxing, right? Like, you could agree, every single one of you. And I'm going to show you what I do. First foremost, make sure you get a paper bag, because this is where all the strips are going to go, I mean, if you guys like to see it. If you guys don't mind to see that, this is kind of scary. This is mostly for girls. Seriously. And I'm going to show you. Okay, if you guys you should just leave because this is not very... Hi, Evelyn. It's not very sexy. This is not like makeup that I usually show. But I've been in the house for like, 2 months? And... I should have went to my waxing girl, but okay, this is what I have. This is what I have. This is my hair. I don't mind. This is like, if it's guys, you should guys go because this is not a very pretty picture. But I'm going to show you what to do, right? Make sure you take a paper bag. So you throw away. And some of the products I do recommend, like this, Gigi. I'm sure everybody knows Gigi. This is amazing company, so it cleans off the wax. So when you start doing the waxing, all of a sudden, hi beautiful, you know that you're going to be sticky. So this stuff is incredible. So I highly recommend it. And while it's still not sold out, do you know it has alcohol? Yeah. Alcohol sold out. This is not, so get it. This is really, 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 really awesome. So, highly recommend it. It cleans like incredible. Really good. So, then we have oil. Oil is a must. If you don't have oil, honestly, you know what I do? I just take olive oil. Yeah? Olive oil. So, you don't have to always have a fancy oil for your skin. You can just take olive oil, So you really have a good way of, And of course you need spatulas. And I use gloves. I use gloves because that way I get rid of all the stickiness. So, and this is what I do. I put my gloves on. Like that. I know. I pretend like I'm a nurse. I'm not a nurse, but I pretend like one. See, it happens. But whatever, this is for yourself. Like, if I was at the spa, I would probably change the glove. But since it's just for me, whatever. And make sure you take all the hair up, right? You don't want to really even touch it. I would even say, like, get this one up. Like that. I know, not pretty, but whatever. It's not about waxing. It's not a very pretty service. It really isn't. Then you take the oil, and you really put all over. Just really make it. Trust me on that. The more you oil your skin, the better it's gonna be. I'm like, I would hear a lot of times people complain and people say, oh, you know, my waxing really hurt and this girl didn't do. Yeah, no, it's not pretty, guys. This is not a very pretty service. And then people would say, oh, my girl was she was so painful. Like, all the waxing was really painful. Yeah. Oil it up, guys. Oil, like really get, like, you know that you're not only getting the waxing, but you're also getting a good massage. You're also getting a good healing properties. You're also getting, like, you know, a lot, like, your skin is really dry, like really dry. So you really like my skin soaks it up. Like, it's really, like, you really get into your skin. You know what I mean? So really get it. Just very good. Like, and you will see what a difference. What a huge difference. Like, really get into the skin. And that way your waxing is going to be so much less painful. You'll see. So what also I like, I'm like, okay, get a towel that you're not, like, you're okay if it's going to get dirty or whatever, you know. So get a towel and really just take extra oil away. You know what I mean? Because what happens if you have extra oil, your wax is gonna, like, slide it off. See what I mean? So it's just gonna make, so you really need to, but don't, like, take everything away, right? We want to leave some residue there, but we don't want to get rid of it. See what I mean? Does it make sense? Alright, God, I need coffee. Hi, Aubrey. Hi, Lona. So, and what I like to do, I actually, like, you know, take this time and put oil on all the areas that you're going to be doing waxing. The better oiled up your skin, the better. But it's for the waxing. Because they have sugaring. Sugaring has different type of things that they do. This is just for the waxing. Because I've been doing waxing for years. Long time. So you really wanna, if you don't have a fancy oil, just get olive oil or whatever oil. You know what I mean? It's like, it doesn't really matter. Whatever oil you get, just really get the oil. This oil is nice, but you know what? Right now everybody's trying to save money, right? Everybody's trying. So I'm just gonna use olive oil. I'm serious. Whatever. It's not about. Hi, girls. Yes, you can. But make sure when you oil up before you shave, you take a towel. You know what I mean? And just, I would say 15 to 20 minutes, then take a towel and then do it. You know what I mean? So, God, I hate shaving. Are you like me? I hate shaving. I tried shaving and it's just horrible. Like, so then I like to take things out. Hello, girls. Hello, everybody. This is not a very pretty live today. This is the coronavirus live. This is quarantine. This is just like, this is what Sophia, you know. So do you see now my legs are really nice and oiled up? And this is where I'm going to get my towel that I don't care about whatsoever. And I'm just going to gently, don't take everything. See what I mean? Evelyn, you don't just take the oil. You just gently kind of pat it. Just gently. This is such a good exercise too. You're like, you're like, oh, okay. Because when you apply oil, if you decide to shave, if you decide to do any kind of depilation, most of the time your skin is really dry. It's really dry. So you definitely want to oil it up. Yeah, it's like cooking, right? Like before you like cook anything, you really need to make it into the oil. So similar concept. I always feel if you're very good at cooking, you're gonna be very good at all the beauty stuff and skincare stuff because it's very similar. Same thing. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna actually put again the gloves. See, like the gloves for me, like you don't have to put the gloves. It's just something, it's a habit I have because I work at the spas and medical spas. So it's like we have to use a glove, you know what I mean? Hi, Yulichka, ты как? How are you doing? Are you feeling better? I know, I've been like working non-stop, kind of like, I think this is how I deal with everything that's happening. I just like work like crazy, like, you know, go and try something new, and it helps me, I guess, right? So now I'm gonna show you what I use. I use this. See, I have like double teapot. It's satin. Ooh, yeah, I love cooking. Oh my god. But I don't think I'll ever kind of like want to do anything. But anyway, so now I'm gonna take the spatula and I'm just gonna get a little bit, just a little bit, and we're gonna apply little by little. The wax that I'm using is so good. It has, I barely even get any redness at all. See it? I know, not a very sexy, it's not a very sexy life, but it's like, you know, and do you see, I'm doing like very small patches. I don't do big patch. Do smaller patches. Yes, it will take you longer, but do a smaller patch because it really, you know, see? I know, not very sexy, but oh well. See it? And you just do smaller patches. See? It's kind of like one of those Russian, the поговорка, тише едешь, дальше будешь. Kind of like, you know what I mean? And then you really kind of like want to get into the skin, pull the skin and out. Get here, out. And if you feel it's too much, you kind of like do this. And you see now it's clean on both sides. And keep it going. And go like where your, you know, kind of like where your hair grows, right? Like you don't want to go where the hair is like, go up and then it goes down, right? See? See, just really nice and smooth. Like that. And a lot of times, if you feel when your hair is not coming out this way, go different direction. Go this direction, go that direction, maybe go even opposite direction. Because hair grows all kinds of stuff, especially my hair is curly. Yeah, oh yeah. When you have curly hair, Evelyn, you know, right? It's hard. It really is hard, see? Like that. So I always like to take small patches, like see small patches across. I thought, you know, I have hair, might as well I share everything with you, might as well I'll share this too. You know, I can obviously do like bikini or Brazilian because, you know, I think that would be a little bit too much, but legs I can do. See, now we just put it away, throw it away. Our hands are clean. Do you see? So far we have very clean hands. Super clean hands. I love cooking. Today I'm gonna make Napoleon. Well, I'm gonna pre-make everything, so Napoleon's gonna be ready tomorrow. I know. And actually, do you feel the same way that you sitting home and you actually losing weight, even so we eat more? That's how I feel. I'm like, wait a minute, how is it possible that I cook like a freaking storm? You know? Terenti, привет. This is not a very sexy, it's not a very sexy look. I'm doing waxing. It's not good for guys. This is like, Sophia, what is going on? I'm like, so do you see the difference between this and this? Like, you know? Yeah. So usually I like to alternate. You alternate one leg to another leg and you just, you know, it kind of goes around. So if you get tired on one leg, you take another leg and you do the same thing. See it? So take a small, oops, sorry. We just had the breakfast. I know. We have breakfast like 11, 12. Very interesting breakfast we have nowadays. That looks really good. And this is pretty much, this is how you're gonna keep going. Like, just do smaller batches, do smaller, like, you know, maybe if you need to get like a really small like stool, right, you just put your, and just do this way. Like, find like different places where you can do different ways. So I really hope it was helpful. And yeah, and after you're done with all your, like, all your waxing stuff, make sure you put even more oil. Yeah, oil, and oil. Like, just make sure you use towel and oil. Just don't take things away, but use oil. And that's really gonna help you. If you are very sensitive, use hydrocortisone after you're done, so that way you have no irritation. If God, if you got like wax on the floor, just use that, you know. So this is gonna help you, any type of waxing solution, or oil. You got anything waxing, just use oil, and this is gonna be awesome. So yeah, and just use, you know, scissors if you need to. So yeah, and I just have all kinds of more stuff. But yeah, I really hope it was helpful. I'm gonna continue on my painful journey today. I'm gonna make some stories. I'm gonna show you my beautiful legs soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna take my gloves off. I'm gonna finish, and yeah, please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm there for you. I'm supporting you. I mentally there for you. I'm really hoping all of this stuff is gonna be over soon, because I really miss all my clients. So if anybody wants to get a online class for any topic, skincare, makeup, whatever it is, you definitely are definitely welcome. So thank you so much for coming. I will see you in the story. I'm gonna show you my legs. Be sexy, and you stay positive. I think this is the most important, to stay positive. Bye.